In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on Zelle through Bank of America, ensuring you can receive money effortlessly. Our journey begins by opening the Bank of America mobile app on your smartphone. Once you have the app installed, log in using your online ID and passcode. This information is essential for accessing your account securely, so make sure to keep it confidential. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the main menu where you'll find the option Transfers Zelle. Tap on this to access the Zelle platform. Upon entering this section, you'll see the choice to Send Request Money with Zelle R. Select that option and you're well on your way to making a money request. You'll notice at the top of the Zelle screen, there is a Request tab. Go ahead and select it. This will take you to a screen where you can view your contact list or enter a new email or phone number to send a request. This feature is designed to ensure you can seamlessly reach out to anyone listed in your contacts or enter details manually if needed. Now you'll want to choose or add the contact you wish to request money from. If the person isn't already enrolled in Zelle, don't worry. You can still proceed with the request, and they'll receive a prompt with instructions on how to enroll in Zelle themselves. It's a straightforward process and allows them to engage with Zelle without delay. Next, you'll enter the amount of money you're requesting. It's a simple task of typing in the desired sum, but to add a personal touch and avoid confusion, consider adding a memo. You might jot down something like dinner, rent, or utilities, which provides context for the person receiving the request. Once you've checked that all the information is accurate, tap on Review and then Request. Now, the ball is in the recipient's court. They will receive your request instantly. Once they approve, the money is dispatched straight into your Bank of America account. Usually this happens within minutes, but the exact time may vary. Keep an eye out as you'll receive a notification when the funds have been deposited. Throughout this entire process, remember that clarity and communication are key. Mentioning details in your memo, keeping your security information secured, and verifying the recipient's details before sending requests can make each transaction smooth and hassle-free. This integrated system within the Bank of America app simplifies money requests and ensures both parties have a seamless experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your future transactions with Zelle.